For adding and subtracting rational expressions, we need to find a lowest common denominator. So we're just going to first practice with finding lowest common multiples of numbers. So if we have 12 and 8, the lowest common multiple for this is going to be 24. Now, the way most of us can probably figure that out. However, what we're kind of doing implicitly is looking at the factors and what the multipliers that are missing. So if I write out the factors here, 2 times 2 times 3, and here I have 2 times 2 times 2. To get the lowest common multiple, we just have to make all the factors match. So here I'm missing an extra 2. Here I'm missing an extra 3. So we end up with the lowest common multiple of 24. So here between 54 and 60, this is a little bit more challenging, but we can probably see that between 54 and 60, there is a lowest common multiple likely going to be there's a multiple of 540 if we multiply those, but we can see this a little bit more clearly if we write out the factors. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 2. Here we have 3 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay? So here we're missing a factor of 2 factors of 3, so we need to multiply that by 3 times 3. Okay, and we're missing a factor of 2, an extra 2, and an extra 5. So we can see then that the lowest common multiple in this case is going to be equal to 540. Okay, so this is a strategy that we could use when we're trying to find the lowest common denominators as well. We basically need to see what factors are missing that this number has that this one doesn't, okay, and vice versa. And through that process we can find the lowest common denominator. So when we're doing this here, so to find the lowest common denominator of 3 and 6, the 3 is missing a factor of 2, and then we need to multiply the top and bottom by 2. So the process of finding the lowest common denominator is matching the factors of both denominators. Okay, so again, rational numbers are to do with